Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. What happened and what do we think it might will happen actually this week? I'm expecting the market to push the upside, but we will go on the chart and see what's really happening. So this is going to be a quick analysis because yesterday we did our weekly analysis, and you can still go watch that video. So before we go on the charts, you can easily see that we have uh, our economic calendar. But since today it's Monday, there is nothing here. And Tuesday also, which is tomorrow, we also have nothing. But Wednesday, it's where we start to see something, but not really that important. I see something on I see something on Thursday. It's where we are waiting for our CPI, some very great high impact news. I'm expecting the market to aggressively move. But since we also have unemployment claims, this might actually make some confusion in the market. And sometimes, if unemployment, let's say for example, if jobless claim is positive, and maybe CPI year over year it's negative, the other one is positive, so most likely they're going to just cancel each other, and that move won't be that crazy. That's the sad part about having so many economic news around the same time. But if they all go in the same direction, let's say all of them they can go on negative, that will be a very nice buy. If they are going to be on negative, positive, that is going to be a different story, which means the dollar is going to get stronger and we're going to sell the likes of gold and the Nasdaq. I hope you see that. So on Friday, we have PPI, also very important. So we'll see who will actually attend this. But if you're part of the team, don't worry. We are going to send these directions. Then you can start to eat. This is what we have this week. I don't think we have much. Remember, it's still January, but if you go slower, if you have that trading plan, you can start to eat from this January. Then Feb, when we reach April, it's gonna be a different story if you have some serious rules. So for those who wants to eat with us, remember this week we're starting with our mentorship. This week we are resuming with our mentorship. So what we have here is we have our VIP signal packages. You can see we have some different packages: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, yearly. Yearly is 12 months, and lifetime is 450. So yeah, these are the signals that we are going to send. You can scan this QR code. I will zoom that. Then if you want to be part of the team, you can then let me know, or just WhatsApp me. Right? Simple as that. So let's push to the market. We are on DXY. We are on DXY. What's really happening on DXY? Let me just, but it's fine. We don't really have to make it full screen. I think this way it's also visible. So what do we see? We're not going to waste much time here. So what we see here is DXY is still on this downtrend. You can see that we are expecting to see the market going lower. So if maybe you were selling something, if maybe you were trading DXY, obviously you were supposed to be already in that trade. I think the market will be moving like that. Remember, this is just quick update. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you already a member, don't forget to actually like. And for those who wants to learn more, if maybe you just want on demand stuff, here on you can click join. You will find some exclusive videos here on YouTube. You can click that and you will find everything that can help you to learn more about trading, right? So DXY is still going down. It's a dollar index, which means if it's going to push lower, we will be buying the likes of GBP, USD, Euro USD. All those pairs, they will be moving on the opposite direction, which is going to be an uptrend. So what's really happening with USD ZAR? Let's go. On USD ZAR, you can easily see that no man, the market on USD ZAR, it shows that the dollar is very stronger. As I showed you yesterday, the market is on this uptrend. So on the bottom side here, we can see where the market was respecting, and it shows that our support area was very stronger, and it shows that the market can still push even higher. So even though the market might try to be quite slower, but remember, mostly when we are expecting some economic news like CPIs, NFPs, FOMCs, most likely the market will consolidate, and that can still happen even now. But I don't think today we will see that. Maybe from Wednesday, it's where from tomorrow actually, it's where we're gonna see the market playing games. But for now, I think we just have to apply our risk management and just do the right thing. So here the market is a bit higher, so we can maybe wait for the market to come back on the support. On top there, we have a sort of a resistance. The market is actually creating this wedge structure, but the bigger picture is we are on an uptrend. Dollar ZAR, obviously, we see the dollar gaining that momentum, pushing to the upside. So on USD JPY, this is what I was talking about yesterday. You can see that we are still on a downtrend, sorry, or we can say we were on a nice downtrend until we see the market breaking out. You can see the market just broke out here, and we had this level here. You can see that, and the market did break out, but we had to wait for this area to be broken out so that we can continue with that bullish momentum. But you can see that now the market is going down. That's why I told you that you don't really have to just jump on the market. It seems like even though we had a slightly movement to above this resistance, the market is coming back aggressively. So what do we call this? It's a fake breakout or something? No, it's not. It's not a fake breakout because we can see this breakout from this area. So we call that an adjustment. If the market is aggressively on maybe selling, sometimes the market can reverse and still continue selling. If maybe it was aggressively pushing up, it might still do the same thing. So if the market keeps pushing lower, obviously we will start to find a way of drawing this resistance. Quite simple, straightforward like that. So if you want to know all these things, sometimes you just fall for fake breakouts or this type of adjustment, you can be part of the team. As I showed you, you can also join our mentorship. 12 months. 12 months. So if you want less, if maybe let's say you don't really want to learn for the whole 12 months, maybe you want something like maybe 6 months or 4 months, let me know. We can decrease that price there, but I will prefer you to go on 12 months because that is a good thing. You will learn, and after I leave you, I think you will be, to me, you will be a pro because you will understand so much stuff that maybe now they are still confusing you. So GBP USD, what's really happening? Quite straightforward. We are still on that uptrend. The market is still uptrending. Whatever that you see here, we did it yesterday. So since we did miss the market here, I don't think we have to buy it there. We just have to wait and see. We don't really have to fight the market. So the structure is quite straightforward. We are on a very nice uptrend. So which means we are expecting maybe the market to reach this level. You see that level, maybe the market can reach this level and push lower. If not, maybe we will see the market breaking out of that resistance and pushing to the upside. But remember, we are on that uptrend, so it's not a new thing or maybe something that we should be surprised when we see the market pushing up. So we are expecting the market to continue with this trend for quite long, right? Remember, there are as we did talk about it, there are rumors, not rumors, they did say that there is a chance that they're gonna decrease or cut the rates this year, maybe after the second half of this year, around June going further, maybe. Because even it's this month, I think maybe this month around the 31st or maybe February there, we're gonna have interest rates. And obviously, I don't think they're gonna cut. Obviously, they will just pause with those rates. So I'm expecting to see the cuts maybe later on. But as long as they are pausing, that is good thing. And the thing is, we have CPI this week. Maybe that will also tell us another story. So what do we see here on Euro USD? We can easily see that the market is on this nice trend there. You can see I sent this in the group. I will show you how we send the signals in the group. Or let me just show you. We send them very nice. We send them with the we also send the chart so that you can understand what's really happening, so that you can understand what's really happening. So you can see here we send Euro USD. You can see I also sent this. I think the market is already touching that pending order. That's how I send the signals. Here it's gold. Also, I think the market will be pushing up. You can see there's a pending order, something like that. So if you want to be part of the team, obviously you are learning. If maybe it's not like maybe it's just signals like that, you're also learning why we said that it's a buy, why we said that it's a sell. So what I see here is, if we go closer, you can see that the market actually it's respecting this level. It's respecting this level here, this level of a support. Plus, we have this diagonal support. So I'm expecting to see the market pushing up. And also, when we check that DXY or dollar index, it showed us that it's pushing lower. So it means now we might start to see the market pushing up. I hope my people will be eating. I hope my student they will be eating, obviously. So, but maybe starting later on, now the market is not really moving that much. So what do we see on gold? Quite straightforward. We don't really have much. You can see that the market has this thing of a support there. I'm expecting a smaller push. That's why I did not really want to miss that. I did send that in the group. So yeah, we might have a very nice buy here. You can see that the market already gave us this sort of a support area. You can see that level is the same level. So mostly when the market touches that area, we see the market pushing up. Even if it doesn't really go up like that, as long as we can reach halfway there, I will be updating them in the group that, you know what, close, it's still Monday. We don't really plus we don't really chase the market. It's not like maybe we're chasing the market to give us something. We are in this journey for a long time, right? We are going to just hold this. We're going to trade nicely slower. We're not fighting the market. We're not actually fighting anything. So I think you also on US30, sorry, I think also we have to have a buy there because this is our support area and the market just touched that. But the best thing for those who don't know, if you want to trade Nasdaq or US30, yes, you can trade them before, but the best thing that you can do is try to trade when after the market opens or very closer to that time, because most likely the market will just consolidate, and once the market opens, then the market pushes up. And sometimes when it consolidates, it might find that maybe you go in that negative. So I don't think we're gonna miss anything. I think it's better for me to wait for the market to open before I take any trade, right? So yeah, I think here I see a very nice structure. It's a very nice structure. It's on a support, and we are still playing above our support area. So a bullish move, a buy, that can be a very nice thing to do, all right? So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening? If you still remember, last Friday I said we go into buy Nasdaq, and you can see we have a very nice bullish structure there, even though the market reversed a little bit later on. But what we know is we were still on this uptrend. I did make smaller profit, not really aggressive. And yeah, that's part of the team. But besides that, what do we see on Nasdaq? We can easily see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. Just check that. You can see that we have this market respecting that structure. I'm expecting to see what? The market continuing pushing to the upside. That can be a very nice support for us. You see that? So this, I think I need to give my people this order, and we should supposed to hold this trade longer like that. You see, I think the market will end up pushing up. If maybe we enter and the market reaches this level, I am expecting to hold it until Thursday, where we're going to have CPI. I think the market might push up. Sometimes you just need to take, it's not really a risk because you will be locking your profits, but we need to hold a little bit. let's learn to hold, guys, because sometimes you make smaller profit, you get out. Sometimes or if you get out around this area, it's no longer a good time for you to do what, to re-enter. So you're gonna wait until the market reaches this area. The problem is you already saw it from the beginning, but you did not really take the advantage. So sometimes let's learn to hold until the market reaches this level, and few trades can change. Few trades can change the way you see the market, and they can pay you very nice. You don't really need 100 trades to make it. Only 3 trades or 1 trade, and you hold that trade, you can make something, but not a miracle. I'm not saying you're gonna make it with one, but I'm just saying very few trades can actually make a lot of profits. Like what I see here, I'm expecting to see a very nice bullish move. After this, I will be sending this in the group. So I think this is a good one. I think that is a good one. So another one is S&P 500. S&P 500 and also Nasdaq. They're moving quite similar. So I'm expecting to have another buy there. I think my people, they deserve something here. So if you are in the team, you just relax. You just receive those signals. And another thing, we have some free signal group, but don't expect unlimited signals in that group. It's just a few stuff, right? So just for you to understand how I send the signal. So thank you very much. Yeah, I will see you on the next one. I hope I did not really take longer. So thank you very much. Bye.